Hi guys, today just show you a smaller passenger boat. From the rear to see it, the power can be 90 HP, can be some Yamaha or Mercury brand. Okay, and the rear you can from here to load this ship. It's buoyant. This is finished, just ready to ship. To see the Android for the welding technology. It is not by robot, just by human person handmade. And each hardware is by stainless steel. The stainless steel, of course, can painting white color or what color you like it. Okay, just from the outside to see this boat. On top of it, some lights, triumphs, and this is the main deck of it. This is just the finish. It's launching, so the fuel tank is not actual fuel tank for you. Do not worry, it's just a little some dirty, right? Okay, the rear, you understand this boat. Before dispatch, we can dispatch it with very clean conditions. No worries for it. Now it's a stainless steel for the door. Open it can two windows to open. Okay, with some keys, just return it. Okay, now come in. Allow the 6 persons to load. And the 6 sides, if you do not like, you can change them to sofa. Okay, 2 long sofa. And the top of it can put some air conditioner. And this is the control system, steering system with some switch and controllers, some light stops, and this is the control lever. The driver or captain window can open. Outside is all very busy. The all color or inside. Now we choose this is the North American popular color for the wall panel. Let us see it again from outside. And the rear tabs. Okay, some pipes connected with the engines must be like this, and others project just under construction. Thank you.